Hi guys, ako si Jay Cuenca at ito ang bagong yugto ng FPJ's Batang Quiapo. Honestly, one thing I can promise is that pag nagharap kami ni Coco, magic happens. Like, that's one thing for sure. For me, any given opportunity to work with Coco, we both know it's gonna be an intense experience, but it's gonna be satisfying and meaningful. So, I'm really excited to experience him as a director, also to experience this version of him na talagang nakaka-impress kasi ang galing niya as an actor, as a director, as a writer, as a creative person. And I'm excited to work with him again after so many years in between and so many big projects that we did in the past. It's an honor. Honestly, successful na yung show eh. You know, I'm just an addition. I'm adding in. Pero all the milestones, all the accomplishments that they were able to accomplish, that's really a testament to the first cast, to Direct Coco, to the whole production. To enter something this big, to enter something this meaningful sa masa, sa madlang people, for me talaga, it's an opportunity and it's an honor and I'm happy to be here. You know, I really believe that the most interesting, best stories that the Philippines has to offer, it's things that happened inside politics, whether it's good or bad. And like what the other cast said, it's going to be meaningful because it's very current and up to date. It puts a little bit of light of what goes on there. And I'm very much happy to be a part of it. And I'm very much happy to be a representation of that. And to do it in this platform, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, it's something extraordinary. Kasi it's very bold, it's very brave and courageous na gagawin namin to. And I do feel na nung kasama ko na yung cast, we got the right cast to do it. Kasi definitely, hindi rin kami natatakot mag-express at magkwento. Thank you.